This is the concept lim x tends 0 a raised power x minus 1 whole over x is equal to log a with base c. Here I shall do the proving of this concept. Here I shall write solution. Imply that LHS equal to lim x tends 0 a raised के power x minus 1 whole over x comes out to be, here write lim x tends 0 a raised to power x equal to, this is the formula, 1 plus in bracket x dot log a with base e plus x dot log a with base e का होल स्क्वायर प्लस x dot log a with base e का होल क्यूब प्लस डॉट 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 इन्फिनाइट माइनस 1 होल रेज के पावर x I shall write. LHS equal to implied that lim x tends 0 a raised के power x minus 1 over x comes out to be, here you can see plus 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled, and here we will get in bracket lim x tends 0 and curly bracket I shall write x dot log a with base e plus x dot log a with base e का होल स्क्वायर प्लस not whole square power 1, because here x dot log a with base e has been taken as a common. So here I have taken log x with base e, I have taken here as a common. So here I shall write this thing I have taken here common. So here it will become dot, and here it will become 1 plus x dot log a with base e power 1 plus x dot log a base e square dot goes to up to infinite, because x dot log a with base e has been taken as a common. So here at this term you will get here only 1 plus in place of 2 here you will get here 1, in place of 3 here we will get 2, and here I shall write over x I shall write. So here imply that lim x tends 0 a raised to power x minus 1 over x comes out to be, this x will be cancelled out. Here you will get lim x tends 0 in bracket I shall write log a with base e dot in curly bracket it will become 1 plus x dot log a with base e plus x dot log a with base e का whole square plus dot 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 infinity it will go. Imply that lim x tend 0 a raised की power x minus 1 over x is equal to, here in place of x I shall put 0. This term will become 0, this term will become 0. Then lim x tend 0 will be removed. So here you will get log e a, log a with base e. In curly bracket you will get here 1 plus 0 plus 0 का whole square goes up to infinite, comes out to be log a with base e. This is the formula you must remember. And now this formula I have proved. Lim x tend 0 a raised to power x minus 1 whole के power x equal to log a with base c. This is the formula you might remember. Now here I shall reproduce some results, some standard formulas related to derivation. So differentiation I am going to discuss here. Some formula you might remember. Derivative of standard formulas. Here I shall write derivatives of standard formulas. The derivatives of standard formula you must remember forever, because all these formulas will be very fruitful and useful while tackling the problems related to differentiation and continuity also. So here first formula I shall write d over dx x raised की power n equal to n x power n minus 1. d over dx dot x raised की power n equal to nx raised की power n minus 1. Second formula is d over dx sin x equal to cos x. Here I am reproducing the basic formulas related to differentiation. Though the provings of all these formulas are not required at this stage, but since these formulas are the basic formulas, you must remember forever. Here third formula is d over dx in bracket cos x is equal to minus sin x. And fourth formula I am going to write here d over dx tan x equal to sec square x. First formula d over dx x raised to power n equal to nx raised to power n minus 1. Second formula d over dx sin x equal to cos x. Third formula d over dx dot cos x equal to minus sin x. Fourth formula d over dx dot tan x equal to sec square x. Fifth formula I am going to write here d over dx cot x equal to minus cosec square x. d over dx cot x is equal to minus cosec square x. This is the formula. Sixth formula is d over dx sec x is equal to sec x dot tan x. Next formula 7 number 1 is d over dx cosec x equal to minus cosec x dot cot x. Next formula I am going to write here. d over dx e raised के power x equal to e raised के power x. Next formula question number 9. d over dx log x with base e equal to 1 over x, where x is equal to not 0. This formula are the basic formula you must remember forever. Rest formula I am going to reproduce. How d over dx tan x is equal to sec square x it will become. Derivation I shall explain here. Here this formula I am going to discuss here. Concept number 4, proving of concept number 4 I shall do here. Let y equal to tan x. d over dx dot tan x. Tan x is a function. Here I have let the function tan x equal to y equal to tan x. So here you can write very well y equal to sin x over cos x can be written. And now here I shall find d over dx. Here I shall write differentiating y wrt, differentiating y wrt with respect to x. Differentiating y with respect to x. Here I shall write d over dx y equal to d over dx in bracket sin x over cos x I shall write. Here y will get conjugated conjugated with d, it will become d over dy over dx, it will become. Y will conjugated with d, it will become dy over dx equal to d over dx dot sin x over cos x. It comes out to be, this is the formula also. Numerator cos x dot d over dx sin x minus sin x d over dx cos x you will get whole over, I shall write cos x, comes out to be dy over dx comes out to be here. Here you can see cos x dot d over dx dot sin x. D over dx sin x comes out to here cos x. So here you will get cos x dot cos x, and here you can see d over dx dot cos x. So here I shall write minus sin x dot, here d over dx cos x comes out to here minus sin x over cos x you will get. Cos x का whole square it will become dy over dx equal to cos x dot d over dx dot sin x minus sin x dot d over dx dot cos x whole over cos x का whole square. So here dy over dx equal to cos x dot d over dx sin x comes out to here cos x minus sin x, it will become d over dx cos x comes out to here minus sin x. So here you will get d over dx, here cos x dot cos x comes out to here cos square x you will get. Here minus 1 and minus 1 will multiply together. We will get here plus, and sin x will multiply together. You get sin square x over cos square x. Cos square x plus sin square x comes out to here 1. So 1 over cos square x comes out to here sec square x. One over cos square x equal to sec square x you have got here. But that's why d over dx tan x comes out to be here sec square x you have got. Like this, only 1, 2, 3. These are the basic formulas you must remember, and 4, 5, 6, 7, all these formulas can be reproduced by using the concept and other formula related. These are the some basic concepts which I have covered here in part 4 today, and more concept will follow later on. Okay guys, thanks.